Lecce, a city that doesn't just tell its story, it reveals it. Nestled in the heart of Salento, where the sun caresses the stone and the breeze carries scents of sea and olive trees, Lecce rises like a tapestry of light carved in time. Walking through Lecce feels like reading poetry written in stone. Lecce stone, soft and golden, has been sculpted for centuries by master artisans into a unique language, Lecce Baroque. Not just a style, but theater, movement, emotion frozen in art. The heart of the city beats in Piazza del Duomo, one of Italy's rare enclosed squares, a suspended space where solemnity and grace embrace. Here stands the Cathedral of the Assumption, grand and elegant beside the bell tower, Episcopal Palace, and Seminary, each one a chapter in Lecce's sacred story. Yet it's the Basilica of Santa Croce that steals the breath. An intricate masterpiece where stone comes alive with garlands, cherubs, mythical creatures, and hidden symbols. Not to be seen, but contemplated. The city also speaks a more ancient tongue, that of Rome. Amid lively streets and noble squares, you'll find the Roman theater and the grand amphitheater in Piazza Sant'Oronzo, where ancient stones meet modern life. Above all stands Saint Oronzo, protector and symbol, watching from his column like a guardian through the ages. Lecce lives in its papier-mâché workshops, where light becomes devotion. It breathes in local flavors, warm pasticciotti, Siceri etria, pitule, and Salento wine. It dances in the rhythm of pizzica, under summer skies that never seem to fade. Its cloisters, hidden courtyards, carved portals, and flowered balconies are details that nourish the soul. Shadows move gently across the façades. The city becomes a dream, open-eyed, eternal. Lecce is not a place you visit. place you feel.